A long-awaited exchange of prisoners between Russia and Ukraine has taken place. The swap could be a significant step towards easing relations.
In Niger are expressing their anger over the detention of activist Sadat.
Sheikh Ould Mohammed Ould Mekatia, a young Mauritanian blogger sentenced to death.
Alejandra Barrera has been detained for more than a year and a half in Cibola County. She's also a transgender woman from El Salvador.
In order to avoid contributing to or profiting from the erosion of protections.
So I would defer to the Human Rights Coalition letter from 14 organizations, including Amnesty International, Electronic Frontiers Foundation.
The widow of one of the 9 environmental campaigners who were executed by the Nigerian military government has won a 22-year battle to bring oil giant Shell to court.
This was definitely a big victory for women that is due to a last-minute change made by the government.
Thank you.